Cajun pasta with F& Sharp. Preparing the ingredients is a breeze with the F& Sharp chef's knife. Dicing up some green bell pepper, then we'll go ahead and move to some white onion, another dice here, smash some garlic cloves, just give those a rough chop. This is a red chili. It's actually just a jalapeno that's been sitting out in the sun a bit longer. Andouille sausage, quintessential with some Cajun meals. This is flavor packed. It's got tons of Cajun spices, seasonings. It's got some peppers in there, full of flavor. We're going down in a pan, sauteing up some shrimp. We're gonna remove those, set them aside. Just gonna get a sear on the andouille sausage, set that aside. And then in that rendered fat, we're gonna cook up all of our veggies that we prepared. We're gonna squeeze some canned tomatoes, add in some chicken stock, some heavy cream, give that a stir. When that comes together, we're gonna come back in with the proteins, nestle those shrimp right in, let that hang out for a bit and those flavors to get happy. We're gonna add some penne pasta, give it a toss, and then we're ready to plate this. A garnish of green onions, aka scallions, some fresh grated Parmesan, and you have a beautiful Cajun pasta. Visit fnsharp.com.